Chapter 1. Why this is happening to you, and it's not your fault. I was sitting in my car, in a Target parking lot for 45 minutes, staring at the dashboard, unable to step out. The thought of picking up oat milk felt like a physical threat. That's when I understood what overcome fear of failure actually does to a person. It doesn't just sit in your head, it colonizes your ordinary life. The science. When a threat registers, real or perceived, your amygdala fires before your prefrontal cortex even gets the message. The signal travels faster through the emotional highway than the rational one. You react before you can think. This isn't weakness, it's a survival mechanism that's running in the wrong context. The origin map. Most problems have a point of origin, a moment or period when a useful coping mechanism got locked in past its expiry date. The origin map has 3 coordinates. 1. When did this pattern start? 2. What was it protecting you from then? 3. What is it costing you now? Exercises. The origin trace. Think back to when this pattern first showed up in your life. Not the recent version, the earliest version. What age were you? What was happening around you? Write down what the pattern was protecting you from at that time. You don't need to solve anything yet. Just locate the origin. The cost column. Draw a line down the middle of a page. On the left, write what the pattern gives you. Safety, control, approval, comfort. On the right, write what it takes from you. Energy, opportunities, relationships, peace. Look at both columns without judgment. The cost column is your reason to change. When you slip. Understanding why this is happening doesn't fix it overnight, but it does something just as important. It removes the self-blame. You didn't choose this pattern, you learned it, and anything learned can be unlearned.